We have a decimal in 6.41. So you rewrite your number, 6.41, and then where the decimal is, you start from there and you go to the left. So you would do 1, 2, 3, because that's your exponent on your 10 in the problem. See, the problem was 6.41 times 10 to the third power. So 10 to the third power, we have that exponent 3. So we move it 3 times, the decimal 3 times, or not the decimal, but we start from the decimal and move it 3 times to the left. So that leaves me with, oh, no. So you count the number of spaces, which is 3, right? But you have 2 open spaces now, because once you have 3 swoops, you'll see that 6 is in 1, and then you have 2 other spaces. The 6 does not count. The 6 does not count at all as a 0. Does not count. So since we have 2 slots that are empty, we have 0. So you rewrite your number without any decimals, and you put your 2 zeros. But what you want to do is you want to look and see, well, Miss Nelson taught me that you start from the end and like with your commas, so it helps more, it's easier, instead of just looking at it and like, oh, the comma here, comma here. So yeah, that's what you get, and your number is 64,100. So I have another one, 8 times 5. No, 8 times 10 to the 5th power. Now, some people will find this tricky because you don't see a decimal. So I'll tell you. So I have 8 and I have 10 to the 5th power. So I take my 8, and like I said, it doesn't have a decimal, so I'm going to put a decimal at the end. I'm going to make my own decimal and put it at the end. So you also want to move it